3-inch exhaust, straight from the headers back to a little bullet muffler on the back. It's a BMW 330. Significantly quieter on the cold start and idle. Still pretty loud. Let's do a couple revs and see what it sounds like. Way quieter. Other than the pops, which I don't have tuned, I turned all that off. I do not have any pop tunes on it right now. It sounds significantly less raspy, a lot cleaner, and a little quieter. It had a rasp in the mid RPM range, which was kind of really annoying, and it also sounded a bit airy. But it sounds a lot better now.